afternoon, ma'am. Let me help you with your baggage.
Sure.
This week.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to the Reef Hotel. How can I help you today?
Oh, I have a reservation in your hotel.
Reservation under the name of.
Student card.
This booking is already confirmed. May I borrow your ID for verification, please?
Sure. Here's my ID.
Thank you. So you book a deluxe room. It is 3,000 per night, and the total cost per 2 nights is 9,000.
Okay.
Before that, the payment is we require 50% down payment or full payment for reservation.
Sure. But do you accept credit card?
Sure.
Okay. I will pay the 50% in credit card. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Here is your credit card and your receipt, ma'am.
Okay, thank
And
you.
these are your coupons for your Wi-Fi password and your pay. And this is the key card for your room. Your room number is 1201. And this way, please, our bellboy will assist you here.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
This way, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How may I help you?
Oh, first I would like to have a checkout, please.
Yes, ma'am. What service would you like to get for your checkout, please?
I would like you to assess me with my luggage, please.
Yes, sure, ma'am. May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Junel Policarpio and my room number is 1201.
Alright, ma'am. Give me a minute, ma'am. I just called to inform the housekeeping for your room check-in.
Okay.
Hello, this is front desk, Leticia Abliera. Would you please check the room 1201 for room checking? Here's your guest folio, ma'am, with a total amount of 4,500. Please check the bill and sign it, please.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. How was your stay and experience in our hotel?
It was quite good and your staff is very well accommodating and welcoming, so I enjoyed my stay here at your hotel.
Alright,
Thank
ma'am.
you
What
so
mode of
much.
payment would you like to settle, ma'am?
Cash please. Here.
I received 4,500. Here's the receipt, and your payment is already confirmed, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for choosing Reefs Hotel, and we are very happy to serve you, and we are looking forward for your next visit. Thank you.